Good morning students. We'll continue your 4 variable K-map problems. First problem, that means the question reduce or simplify the given Boolean expression using K-map. Here I have taken f of a, b, c, d. Any of the variable you can take. If the specifically given a particular variable, you need to use the same variable and its order. You are not supposed to change the variables and variable order, and you are not supposed to take any other than the given terms, and you are not supposed to leave any term which is given. This is a very important. You are not supposed to add and you are not supposed to leave any term which is given in the question. If the question contains sigma, hence the problems related to SOP. These problems are related to SOP. We'll solve one by one. The first one, here they have given 4 variables, f of a, b, c, d. According to the 4 variables, you will get the 16 terms or 16 cubes. 16 cubes will be there. A complement, B complement, A complement, B, A, B complement. C complement, D complement, C complement, D, C, D complement. The labels is fixed and the terms also fixed with a product term. This is your M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15, M14. The first problem. What are the terms present? 5, 6, 7. 5 is present. Your 6 is present. 7 is present. 10 is present. 14 is present, 15 is present. So, by seeing the terms, we can group M7, M6, 14 and 15 as a quad. Did you got it? These 4 are adjacent, so we got one quad here. Then, this is adjacent to 7, so we will get one pair here. Then here 10 is adjacent to 14, we will get another pair over here. Okay na? So we got 2 pairs with one quad. What is a quad? A quad is a group of M7 plus M6, M15, M14. Among these two and among these two. Among these two, what is a common variable? B is a common variable. A complement A gets cancelled. Among these two column, what is a common? C is a common. Quad finished. What is a pair 1? Pair 1 is M5 and M7. M5 and M7. And among these two, row is a common. Column. What is a common for the columns? D is a common. So you will get A complement B. Among these two, D is a common. Then pair 2. What is a pair 2? M14 and M10. Here, among these two, what is a common variable? A is a common variable. Column C and D complement. So reduced expression equal to quad pair 1 pair 2. That is f of A, B, C, D equal to BC plus A bar B, D plus AC D bar. This is your simplified expression. Did you got it? Understood? Any doubt with this? Here These 4 are adjacent. This is adjacent to 7, that is 5 is adjacent to 7, 10 is adjacent to 14. Here we got one quad with the 2 pairs. No any redundant groups are there. Okay na? Shall we move for the next one? We move for the second one. Draw the tabular structure. A complement, B complement, A complement, B, A, B, A, B complement. C complement, B complement, C complement, B, C, D, C, D complement. M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15, M14. The term of each Q, that is a min term, and the labels is fixed. You are not supposed to change. According to the problem, here second one contains 0 is present, 1 is present, 2 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present, 7 is present, 8 is present, 9 is present, 10 is present, 11 is present, 14 is present. How we are going to do the groups? Please look at here. All 4 are adjacent. This is one quad. These 4 are adjacent. One quad. Then here one, here one, here one is there. And please remember, when you have M0, M2, M8, M10. Yesterday, do you remember this group you have did? M0, M2, M8, M10. Yes, this group you need to do it now. That is yes. If you do the group of these things, how your group will come? M2, M10 and M8 is one quad. Did you got it? And remaining, now adjacent one is not there, here also adjacent one is not there, here also adjacent is not there. Hence it is possible to group with only pair. Here also 15 is not adjacent, the value is not there. Hence it is also possible with the pair. See, if you are not supposed to keep it single. If you keep it single, you will get a term with 4 variable. If you group with a pair, you will get a term with 3 variables. That is important here. We need to reduce the expression from the big expression into small expression. So, how many quads we got? 1, 2, 3 quads and 2 pairs. Quad 1. What is the quad 1? Shall we do? This is the quad 1. M0. M2, M8 and M10 is a quad. What you will get among these two? That is the first row and the last row. What is the common variable? A complement A gets cancelled. B complement B complement is a common. Among these two columns, C complement C get cancelled. D complement D is a common. What is a quad 2? Quad 2, M0, that is these terms I am taking, M1, M4 and M5. These 4 terms now I am taking, M0, M1, M4 and M15. What you will get among those two? These two row common variable and these two columns common variable. Among these two, what is the common variable? A complement is a common variable, B complement B gets cancelled. Among these two columns, what is the common variable? C complement C complement, D complement D gets cancelled, hence it is a C complement. Then, what is the next quad? Q3. That is, now I am taking M8, M9, M11. Among this one, a row heading is a common. All columns, what is the column labels here? It is there. All the columns get cancelled. All these column headings gets cancelled. When we have horizontal, column labels gets cancelled. When we have vertical, row labels get cancelled. Column 1 is a common. Now we have horizontally. So all column variables gets cancelled. We got the common variable here, A and B complement. What's that group? M8, M9, M11, M10. So we got A, B complement is a common. Then pair 1, among pair 1, M5 and M7. M5 and M7. So look at here. M5 and M7. Column is same. Row among these two, which is a common, we need to check. See here, A complement B is a common. Among the row headings, D is a column headings, D is a common variable. Then now M14 and among M10. That means these two columns common variable, we need a row, we need to take the common variable, and the column is common, it remains. Among these two, pair 2 is M14 and M10. Among the row, A is a common, so A, column C and D complement. So this is your reduced expression. Finally write the expression. Reduced expression equal to quad 1, quad 2, quad 3, pair 1, pair 2. All togetherly you need to write it in the SOP form equal to what you got? B complement D complement, A complement C complement, A B complement plus A complement B D plus A C D complement. This is your expression. Please, plus is important. Now we are writing which form? SOP form. Okay. While writing, please concentrate the terms. Complementation and uncomplementation is very important. Only writing, grouping, you will get 3 marks. Reduced format and final result will gives you 2 marks. Compulsory question. Question number 27 in your question paper part D, first question. 5 marks question. Yes, shall we move to the third one now? The third one, here also the variables are same. A, B, C, D. Write the 16 cubes K-map. Give the labels for each row and column. A complement, B complement, A complement, B, A, B complement. C complement, D complement, C complement, D, C, D, C, D complement. This is your M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15, M14. 0 to 15, each cube has its own minterm. You are not supposed to change this format. It is fixed. For writing of this much, you will get 2 marks. And write the given expression represented with a term will gives you 1 marks. 0 is present, 1 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present, 8 is present, 9 is present, 10 is present, 11 is present, 12 is present, 13, 14, 15. Please concentrate here how you are going to get the group. 0 is adjacent to 1, 1 is adjacent to 5, 5 is adjacent to 13, 13 is adjacent to 9, 9 is adjacent to 8, 8 is adjacent to 12, 12 is adjacent to 4, 4 is adjacent to 0. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go for octa. Go for octa. First octa. What is the octa number 1? M0, M1, M4, M5 plus M12, M13, M8, M9. Okay, this is the first group. See here, you may look here only a quad. 15 is adjacent to 14, 14 is adjacent to 10, 10 is adjacent to 11. Please don't go for the quad. See, 11 is adjacent to 9, 9 is adjacent to 8, 8 is adjacent to 12, 12 is adjacent to 13, 13 is adjacent to 15. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go for octa grouping than the quad. Quad gives you 2 variable reduced format. Octa gives you a single variable. Main target, we need to simplify the expression with a less number of variables in the term. So instead of go for the quad, go for the octa. M8, M12, 13, 15, 14, 10, 11, 9, 8. Octa 2. What you will get octa 2? M12, M13, M15, M14, M8, M9, M11, M10. How to reduce? The first one, it is there among here, isn't it? That means all these rows and among all these columns. When we have all the rows get cancelled. All the row get cancelled. That means all the row headings gets cancelled when we have vertical octa or vertical quad. Your row labels gets cancelled. Then among the column labels, among these 2 columns, what is a common variable? C complement. C complement is the result. Did you got it? This is your reduced one. C complement is your reduced one. Then come to the next one. Here we are grouping now for, this is your octa. That is 12, 13, 15, 14, 10, 11, 9, 8. Among these, columns are present, right? All the columns gets cancelled. Among these 2, what is a common variable in the row? What is a common variable in the row? A is a common variable. So, A is a common variable. Did you got it? All when we have vertical, row labels gets cancelled. When we have horizontal, all column labels get cancelled. Now, all the column labels gets cancelled. Among these 2 row, which is a common variable? A. B complement get cancelled. So, you got the A. And please concentrate here how to write the reduced expression. A reduced expression equal to only octa 1 plus octa 2. Octa 1 plus octa 2. This is important. Please don't write octa 1 and octa 2. This is your POS format. You need to write in the SOP format with a plus. Each term contains only a single variable. These two variables is added. These two variables added, that is your octa 1 plus octa 2. Octa 1 is C complement plus A octa 2. That is your reduced expression for the third problem. Hope you understood now how to do the grouping. Shall we move for the fourth one now? See, every time I am writing the labels because of you. You need to get practice how to write the labels and each term. Shall we move for the fourth one now? The fourth one. A complement, B complement, A complement, B, A, B, A, B complement. C complement, D complement, C, D, C complement, D, C, D, C, D complement. Then your M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15, M14. What are the variables present in the fourth one? 0 is present, your 1 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present, 7 is present, 8 is present, 9 is present, 11 is present, 12, 13, 15. Please notice here how you can do the grouping. In the last video what we did, the last problem what we did, 0, 1, 5, 13, 9, 8, 12, 1, 4 and 0. Did you got it? And please don't do quad. These things are adjacent to these. M1, 3, 7, 5, 15, 11, 9, 13 and 5. Quad gives you more reduced octa gives you more reduced format than the your quad. First I did among these things. Okay. Next I did among these things. Okay. What are the things I did? M0, M1, M4, M5, M12, M13, M8 and M9 is one octa 1. Then octa 2 is M1, M3, M5, M7, M13 and M14, 15, M9 and M11. As I told in the last video, last problem, when we have vertical, all row labels gets cancelled. All row labels gets cancelled. Among these two, what is a common variable? And among these two, what is a common variable? Octa 1, that is O1. Octa 1 is M0, M1, M4, M15, M5, M12, M13, M8 and M9. You will get one. All row labels gets cancelled among these two. Only these two. What is the common variable? C complement. In the last video or last problem also we got the same thing, right? The same one. Octa 2 is M1, M3, M5, M7, M15, M13, M15, M9 and M11. Among the row labels gets cancelled. Among these two, what is the common variable? C complement C get cancelled. D is a common variable. D is a common variable. Reduced expression equal to octa 1 plus octa 2. What will you get? F of A, B, C, D equal to C complement plus D. This is your reduced expression for the given Boolean expression. Contains many terms that get reduced to two terms with a single variable in octa. Okay, shall we move for the last one? That is your same labels. A terms is going to be changed. M0, M1, M3, M2, M4, M5, M7, M6, M8, M9, M11, M10, M12, M13, M15 and M14. Okay, what are the variables present? 1 is present, 3 is present, 4 is present, 5 is present, 7 is present, 9 is present, 11 is present, 12 is present, 13 is present, 14 is present, 15 is present. That means how we can do here? See here, 1, 3, 5, 7, 13, 15, 9, 11. One quad, so one octa. Then among these two, is it a pair or is it a overlapping quad? No. 4, 5, 7, 6, 14, 15, 13, 12 adjacent to 4. So again you can do one more octa. So octa 1 is M1, M3, M5, M7, M13, M15, M9 and M11. And another octa M4, M5, M7, M6, M12, M13, M15 and M14. This is one octa, octa 1, and here it is octa 2. How you can reduce? When we have vertical, all row labels gets cancelled, row gets cancelled. Among these two, we need to take a single variable, and here all columns gets cancelled. Among these two, we need to take a single variable, common variable. So shall we write? Octa 1 equal to M1, M3, M5, M7, M13, M15, M9 and M11. Among these things, it is a vertical octa, hence all the row gets cancelled. Among these two, what is a common variable? D is a common variable. Octa 1 is D. Then what's about octa 2? Octa 2 is M4, M5, M7, M6, M12, M13, M15 and M14. Among this one, it is a horizontal octa, column get cancelled, among these two rows, A complement A gets cancelled and we got a common variable D. So B. Then a reduced expression equal to octa 1 plus octa 2. Octa 1 plus octa 2, what you will get? F of A, B, C, D equal to D plus B. This is your complete reduced expression. Okay, follow the video. Watch the video twice or thrice. You will come to know that why we need to do for the maximum grouping only. Maximum grouping gives you less reduced terms of variables. Our main concentration is to reduce the expression. Go for always highest grouping than the lowest grouping. Thank you, students. We'll continue next problems in the next class. Remaining problems. Thank you, students.